Good morning, mid-Missouri. Yeah, today, another warm one. We're talking about more of that wind out of the south. In fact, more of it than yesterday. It's going to be breezier. We're talking gusts potentially this afternoon, anywhere between 20 to 25 miles per hour, and that's going to be enough to get us back into the upper 70s again today. We will have a bit more cloud cover, some partly cloudy skies, but you'll still see your shadow, enough sunshine that you'll see your shadow and want your sunglasses today. We're warming quickly. That's no different than yesterday. We'll start a little warmer than yesterday, but overall, low to mid 70s by lunchtime. Pretty comparable to what you had out the door on Wednesday. Thursday afternoon here today, upper 70s, 78, 77. We're pleasant, but we're breezy, and that'll be the case through the evening hours as well. 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, you're heading out to your favorite restaurant. You could probably find a patio. Just sit your drink on the napkin because, well, the breeze is still going to be kicking likely. That wind out of the south is bringing more moisture as well, enough so that we're dealing with a chance for some scattered showers early Friday morning. So don't forget to take that umbrella with you to work, especially if you plan on working late Friday, because Friday throughout the day, we'll get a break from that rainfall. But Friday night, a lot more rain is on the way. We'll see this front bring a chance for some thunderstorms to the region just west of mid-Missouri by around 6 to 7 o'clock. It looks like 7 o'clock is the arrival time for folks near Highway 65, Marshall, Sedalia, Warsaw. And this is where we'll have the isolated chance for a strong storm. Now, as you see those pinks that Future Track is trying to resolve here, those are some stronger storms likely embedded with this line. We're going to see those start to weaken as this pushes further towards the east. This is still going to bring a lot of rain to us, likely an inch or more, especially with those more convective cells within this line, those stronger storms back towards the west. That's where we're going to see likely the heavier rainfall rates, and that's where the better totals will fall. But this is all pushing out of here heading into Saturday. Here's that threat level. We're in a very low risk for severe weather. Our main concerns are going to be hail, wind, and the isolated potential for a tornado. Flooding risk is quite low as well. I think our best chance at any of this would be with an isolated strong storm within that front. Otherwise, we're likely looking at just a lot of heavy rain, some lightning, and thunder. So not a big severe risk this evening, but it is something to pay attention to if you're out and about later tonight. That rain pushes off through Saturday morning towards the north and the east as that low picks up and moves north. We're likely done with rain by around sunrise. Can't rule out a spot shower here on the back, and take a look at how close we get to the blue. That snow potentially up near St. Joseph. Could see a few flakes mix in, but overall, here locally, we don't have any chance for that. We've got a slim chance for showers through about 11 o'clock, as long as we keep this cloud cover along. But what that means for us is we're likely dry for the Mizzou game. It looks like good news for folks who are headed out there. You may have to wipe down that seat, and you're going to want that hoodie with temperatures in the 50s, but overall, we're dry by then. Beyond all of this, we're looking at generally an inch to maybe an inch and a half with localized amounts, especially towards the west, again, where those bigger raindrops are going to fall. That's where we could see a local 2 inches or more. So some good rain regardless, wherever you are. As we head into the weekend, the end of the weekend looks dry. Monday into Tuesday, mostly dry. We've got a slim chance for rain on Tuesday. I wouldn't cancel any plans to go vote. It looks like it should still be a dry and pleasant, warmer than normal start to next week.